Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're good. I'm good. So today we are going to play Sara's cooking class. So here's some berry chocolate cupcakes. They are going to make it Sims. So let's proceed with it. So it's time for something decadent. Let's make some raspberry chocolate cupcakes. Click on continue. Find these things from the fridge and the cupboard and materials there. So you need to find that. Now as per the instructions, follow it. Do it as per the instructions. It is saying it's perfect. Now let's see what to do. So they are giving some hints also. Do as follows. Hope you're enjoying it. Do play in Google, right? Chocolate Cupcakes game. You need to drag all the things whichever they are explaining us. Let's add some music so that it will be interesting. Keep your kadai on the stove. Found it interesting, right? Continue. Fabulous. So we have got comment like excellent. Music makes them better. So let's look at the next thing. Now, stir it. Take a egg. It has given us the comment perfect. So this is how you need to play this game. Hope you found it interesting. You also do try. Type girl games so that you will get some website. You can choose whichever game you want to play, you can play. So in our channel we have some games and dances, jokes, comedy, entertainment, studies, education, Vedic maths, robotics, and many more. So for seeing all that, subscribe to Vishwablooms. And one more thing, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and share to your friends. Thank you.